Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a car that redefines the joy of driving. Let's dive into what makes this roadster a true masterpiece. Starting with its design, the MX-5 Miata continues to embody Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, soul of motion. The 2025 model features sharper lines, a more aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern yet timeless look. The lightweight, aerodynamic body isn't just for show, it enhances performance and fuel efficiency, making it as practical as it is beautiful. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The MX-5 Miata remains compact and nimble, perfect for weaving through tight corners or cruising down open highways. The retractable soft top is a breeze to operate, and for those who prefer a hardtop, the retractable fastback model offers a sleek, coupe-like profile with the convenience of an open-air experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that's both luxurious and functional. The 2025 model features premium materials, including available nappa leather seats and a hand-stitched steering wheel. The 8.8-inch infotainment screen is seamlessly integrated, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mazda's intuitive interface. Every detail is designed to keep you connected to the road while enjoying modern comforts. Under the hood, the MX-5 Miata packs a punch. The 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine delivers 181 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 6-speed automatic for those who prefer it. With a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, this car handles like a dream, offering precision and agility that's hard to match. Performance isn't just about power, it's about balance. The MX-5 Miata's lightweight construction and rear-wheel drive setup make it one of the most engaging cars to drive. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or enjoying a leisurely drive, this car delivers pure driving pleasure. But what truly sets the 2025 MX-5 Miata apart are its unique selling points. It's not just a sports car, it's an experience. The Bose premium audio system ensures every drive is accompanied by crystal-clear sound, while advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control keep you protected. And let's not forget, it's one of the most affordable roadsters on the market, offering incredible value for the performance and luxury it delivers. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is more than just a car, it's a celebration of driving. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and unmatched driving dynamics, it's no wonder this roadster continues to capture hearts around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Get behind the wheel and experience the magic for yourself.